Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word harem. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The Sultan lived in a grand palace with his harem of beautiful concubines. A harem refers to a separate part of a household reserved for women and often used to refer to a group of women associated with one man in a polygamous relationship. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.